What's up, guys? So today's video I'm going to be installing a new Catback exhaust. I picked this up from Facebook Marketplace. It's a Injen Catback for the Element. I'm going to install it. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. I'm going to get a quick before clip of the exhaust, of the stock exhaust. Alright, so I got those down there. There's one more hanger right there, and then another one right up here, and then that should be it. Trying to film with one hand and do this without letting it drop on my face. I got it here. There we go. And now the last hanger is this one right here. I got the last hanger out. Alright, now I gotta move this off of the lower control arm and then push it that way. I got the stock exhaust off. Now, time for the Catback. All right, let's start her up. Oh my god, that sounds so fucking good. So I've just been driving this thing around, getting used to the exhaust. I wanted to take another clip of the exhaust note. So this would be up to temp right now. I drove her here. I'm gonna start it up, give it a few quick revs so you guys can hear it better. Sounds pretty good. It's not as raspy when I'm driving around. I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. There's a lot more I want to do to this car. I think next on my list is probably a cold air intake. I'm not really expecting anything performance-wise, but I just want to hear the sounds. Like, I just want to hear something coming out of this engine. But yeah, catch you guys later.